Hello, Turtle Monkey here. Today I'm going to pick this Master Lock, this Master Lock 931, sorry. Pretty neat lock. It is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe? 5 I believe. But it has a really tough, like, has spring to it like crazy. But it works just fine. So let's get this puppy viced up and see what we can't do. This bulky ass lock. Okay. We'll try top of the keyway. Use my Patterson. Nope. There we go. That's a rough angle of that thing, so we'll just use my dyno a little bit larger hook, back to front like always. That one's either serrated or something. It's crunchy. Back one 5, I believe it is not giving me nothing. Forwarding it, but 3's catching. Okay, 3 had a little pop to it. Holding moderate, light tension. Oh, got some rotation on that one. One's acting like it's a spool. That's set. Let's go back to the back. Oh, just rubbing on the back pin or the 5th pin. It was starting to slide over. So let's give it some pressure, see if it does anything else. Yep. See how it rotates like that? That's a spool. I say that, then when I go to gut it, it'll be something completely different, like a serrated or something. This does not want to go. I might be very careful. I might overset it. Okay, on 4. Nothing on 4. 3. I think 3 set. Oh, maybe not. Yep, 3 set. 2 or 1's loose as heck. No. Let's see. It's definitely 4. Don't tell me I overset it. Where are you at? Alright. There we go. See how crunchy that is? Holy hell. It's so crunchy. Okay, 4 is definitely something. Nope. That's how much light of potential I was having. It pick just straight fell out. We're going to reset and try again. Try to get my pick to stay in there, or my tension wrench to stay in there. Do same light tension. Okay. It was 4, I think. The back one. 4. Yep. 4's not giving me nothing. 2 is though. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay, 1 needs to go up a little further. Maybe not. Okay. So far, so good. Golly, that back one's so crunchy. Now while I'm doing this, what's your guys' favorite method of picking? Is it rake? Is it SPP? What do you like to do? Okay, we got something there. Now I gotta remember this thing takes a lot of tension. It has a solid spring to it, so I might want to apply a little bit more tension. Like that. Got that back one just finally set. You can get this lock pretty much anywhere. I got it at a hardware store. I wonder if it's no. Alright, which one is it? Well, Oh, nothing's giving me counter rotation either. Oh, there it is. Oh, my pin tension fell out. That's scary. That's always scary. Oh, come on. Which one was that? Ooh. Man, there's a lot of these things. Oh, whoa. I got it. That thing just has so much tension on it. There we go. There's just so much tension on that core. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to bring my mat over here. Since we have the key, we'll go ahead and insert it so I don't knock everything out. Okay. Oh, I need a Allen wrench head. Oh, great. Which one is it? That is the question. Oh, sorry. Keep it on camera. Actually, I'm going to zoom out just a hair. There we go. Well, it ain't that one. You can see it down there. Oh, ain't that one either. It's next size up. It is a... It's probably standard. Oh, I got a crap load of them. Is it this one? Nope. Oh, crapola. Which one is it? Ah, it's that one. There we go. Let me get this up. Now, this should be interesting. I know there's at least 2 spools in it. I'll not get it all the way. That's on there. Alright, come on. Get him out of there. Alright, what? Pull that. Take the key out first. Oh, now we just lock it. That works too. There we go. Unlock it. Haha. How awesome is that? There we go. Didn't need a key in there anyways. Man, that's a tiny little core. There we go. Let's get this puppy taken apart. Make sure I don't lose nothing. Screwdriver. See if we can pop this thing off without hurting myself. Oh, sweet. That was easy as hell. That was probably the first time ever. All right. How do I want to do that? I guess we can do it just like that. Okay. So from 5, which I believe is 5. Get some stuff out of the way. Grab my pick. Here we go. Ready for the money shot? Okay, 6 is empty. 5 is right here. It is serrated. 4 is spool. 3 spool. 2 spool. There's a couple of them in there. Ooh, key's turning. About to dump pins. And 1 is a spool. Wow, that had 4 spools in it. Okay. Nothing crazy about the core. No threading. Ooh, sorry, I was like really close. Looks like there's a little bit of a lip. Let me see if I can get that to zoom in. I dumped all the pins right there. I'm a knucklehead. That happens. Alright. You can kind of see there's like a little bit of a rounded lip right there. Kind of neat. Real easy way to figure out what pins went where is to pick them up and put them back in there. Especially with the key in there, you can figure out which ones went where if I can get a hold of them. Let's see if I can see this real quick. Nope, I don't want to go there. Process of elimination, guys and gals. Sorry about that. Or just throw it. Come on. I just had to dump those, didn't I? And I don't have my damn tweezers out here. I don't think it goes in that one either. I must mean it goes in 3. 3 doesn't look that deep though. What 1? Nope. I'm losing my damn mind. I don't know. So we know this one's 4. We can go in the 4 spot. Just scoop these up. Sorry about the lack of professionalism right there for a second. I thought I had them all situated. We'll just put them right here. You guys get the idea. I'll put it back together later. There you go. There is the Master Lock. If I can get to focus right. Master Lock 931, picked, gutted, mother tested, mother approved. Look at the screw on that thing. It's ridiculous. But come back in on it. We have 1 serrated, which was in 5. The top pins are correct. They're in the correct order, which doesn't really matter. So 1 serrated and 4 spools. I just gotta figure out what order these go back into, which is no problem at all. I can do it up in my room. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, stay picked.